Hello, I'm Peter Kramer, a supervisor for the Utility Performance and Analysis Unit at Connecticut Public Utilities Regulatory Authority, also known as PURA. Today, I'm going to share some information about the Take Back Our Grid Act. In October 2020, Governor Ned Lamont signed into law House Bill 7006, more commonly known as the Take Back Our Grid Act. This critical piece of legislation was developed following electric distribution company rate increases in July 2020 and following the electric distribution company's emergency response to Tropical Storm Isaias in August 2020. The Take Back Our Grid Act has established new legal statutes that can be considered in three categories. The first category includes changes in how electric distribution company customer rates are established. These statutes do the following: extend PURA's utility rate review period from 150 days to 350 days, allow PURA to consider establishing interim rate decreases, as well as new rates for low-income households, and to consider providing incentive for economic development through new rates. And finally, it requires proportional Connecticut-based representation on electric distribution companies' boards of directors. The second category directs PURA to investigate tying electric distribution company earnings to performance metrics. These statutes require PURA to review a performance-based regulation framework, whereby electric distribution companies could earn financial incentives or pay financial penalties based on their achievement of certain goals and outcomes. This performance-based regulation proceeding is currently underway and can be found on PURA's online docket system under docket number 210515. Additionally, these statutes direct PURA to consider tying electric distribution company executive and incentive compensation to the achievement of certain performance metrics. The third and final category establishes new emergency response requirements for electric distribution companies. This category includes such provisions as raising the limit on civil penalties electric distribution companies must pay for failure to comply with emergency preparation or service restoration standards, requires customer bill credits for extended outages and compensation for loss of food and medicine under certain conditions, and allows PURA to establish minimum electric distribution company staffing levels for emergency preparation and response. Collectively, these statutory changes are intended to improve utility performance while aligning with public policy goals, ultimately improving service for Connecticut electric utility customers. To read the Take Back Our Grid Act in its entirety, please visit the Connecticut General Assembly website and search for House Bill 7006. You can also find on the CGA website the Public Act Summary provided by the Office of Legislative Research. Thanks for your time.